Welcome to new e-commerce course episode. Today we are gonna build cart page design. This tutorial and next tutorial will be about design of pages, and we will start to set actions and backends for these pages after these two tutorials. My system is always build pages and design first, after set actions and backends, and update everything for last version of app. I would like to say that there will be more pages and will push myself to make this app complex as I can. So before the start, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and like the video. First, I will build top of page. There will be text and navigate back icon. Secondly, I will design product component. It will have image, product name, price, quantity part, and rating. Now I will build summarizing of price part. Labels will be bold, but I will make price bolder for better looking. Color of discount price will be green because I believe that green color will impress customer. In total part, price size will be bigger than other price size. Large size will attract customers' attention. Okay, I will build a quantity button and rating part for product component. For quantity button, I will use a main container and there will be 2 icon button and text for quantity. End of the design, I will make a button for checkout session. Okay, we have just finished our cart page, so let's take a look. This page will be a sample and we will continue to develop this page and components with new amazing features. This course will continue with new tutorials, so if you are not a subscriber, you can subscribe and continue to learn new system and features. In next tutorial, I will make review and rating page design, and after we will start to set actions and backend parts. If you miss something on video, please don't hesitate and comment below. If you can like this video, it will help me to reach more people who can benefit from my tutorials. You can check my website for pre-built templates and finish your app faster with these templates. I will also set YouTube membership soon, and you can join to my YouTube channel as member. There will be special contents for members who support my works. If you think that video helped you a lot, you can send super thanks in below. Thank you for watching and see you on next tutorials.